Welcome back to Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia, smart of your life. Still with BPC. Clap your hand first. Okay. Anyway, we back to our topic. The topic is self-reflection in Indonesia, renungan diri, cerminan diri, evaluasi diri, and so on. So, guys, I want to ask you about the beneficial of self-reflection. What is the beneficial that you get? Maybe I start from Yusril. Yes.
Okay, talk about the beneficial that I get after do self-reflection is like as I said before that I like to stalk people. I'm a stalker.
Okay.
And that motivates me to do the best of myself, and
Uh-huh.
you know, like after do the self-reflection that motivate me to do my best, like join several communities, like one of the is BPEC Makassar,
Mhm.
and I can like stick in this until this because of the motivation that I always do self-reflection, and also because of that uh, uh, beside of that self-reflection, the thing that make me like can stand in this community, because I got a lots of beneficial from this community. One of them like
You can stand up for your love.
yeah, and
Yeah.
the other thing, yeah, I do agree with what Kadevi said. That self-reflection, it's not only about how to say regret of our past experience, but also appreciate ourselves.
Yeah.
And that's good, because yeah, I just realized that, and I think that's a very beneficial thing in our life, because when we can appreciate ourselves, we can be grateful person.
Mhm.
Yeah, and that's good.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Samantha,
Okay.
you get the point, right?
uh,
Okay.
okay. Why I think the self-reflection is very important, and what kind of beneficial that I get
Uh-huh.
when I reflect myself. I think when we reflect myself, we can see like the things, what the things that work out and the things that didn't work out with ourselves.
Mm.
Like we used to like we have to push ourselves, keep going,
Mhm.
but in reality we are not like we are real tired,
Mhm.
and we are not related to the purpose
Mhm.
that we have planned before. So I think self-reflection is very good, because we can see the picture
Mhm.
that we can see when we doing, but after we did the thing, we can see like, oh, I think it's not really worked out for me, so
Mhm.
I have to see like the other way.
Mhm.
So I think it's very important for me.
Do you have a concrete one? I mean, like a sample to explain
Uh,
to us.
okay, for example, when I
When I see your smile, you want to say like that?
no, yeah, we can see like for the relationship, when for example like
Uh-huh.
for example when your relative or your significant others like
Okay.
showering you with love, but we can't see
Oh my
actually
God.
like the mean of why they shower ourselves with love, but we
Okay.
can see like the toxicity, apa, the toxic bagian, the bad side of those like the things she or he give us to us.
Mhm.
So that's why self-reflection is very important, because we
Mhm.
can see the things we can see.
Okay.
We can see actually. Yeah.
Is this like the meditation?
Yeah, the
Okay, I like your style. Okay, what about you, Adele? Do you get a point?
Yeah, I got it.
What is the beneficial that you got?
Okay, the beneficial about self-reflection, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, for me, there is a lot of beneficial stuff. From I got my passion,
Mhm.
I got my creativity for
Mhm.
my life, and then I can in self-introspection every
Mhm.
day. If I do some mistake, it's have a great day. I can be grateful. Be grateful
Mhm.
for myself, and
Mhm.
I appreciated what I can do. Yeah, because if I self evaluation every day, I know that this is good or not, and I feel I use a full just for myself, and I appreciated what
Okay.
I do in this today and every day. I must be grateful, and yeah, self-awareness is the best way for me to cure myself if I down.
It's very concrete message.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Adele. What about you, full-time mother? Sorry. Okay, do you get the point right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The benefit.
You have a 60 seconds to answer. Okay, kidding. Continue.
Okay, then I'm keep silent. Yeah. The beneficial I got, I have so many experience actually.
Mm.
Since last year, again, because of my sick that never got me stuck with my activity. Only just like I have to realize that this is the right time. I should having a more bed rest. And I remember, I mean, this is one of the most important that I always remind to myself that what my husband said like this: do not put any expectation to anyone,
Okay.
include me, even
Okay.
if I'm your husband.
I get the point.
Do not put any expectation to the people around you, because the more the more you put a high expectation, the more you're easy to get disappointed.
Okay.
So it's starting for me that I'm keep far away. I'm starting to keep far away from the negative
Okay.
situation, not negative person. But when as during I see that okay, this people is not. I mean, I cannot get into the vibes
Okay.
to this kind of people. I don't blame them, but I only reflect myself. I don't blame myself also. That
Okay. Okay.
I'm just like seeing from the positive things that
Yeah.
I'm not in a good situation anymore with these people.
So it means that you
either-
took the lessons
yeah.
from them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just keep. No, I only make a gap, but no more in an intense relation with this kind of people or situation, because I don't want to get hurt, and I don't want to hurt this kind of people too. So that's why I'm so thankful for this. I cannot say that this case, but this kind of struggle and effort that okay, today I'm in this kind of point. I'm not in the lowest point, but I appreciate myself that this is the right thing and the best thing you do, Dewi. You don't have to ask anyone, because
Okay.
normally when I have a problem outside outside from my family, sometimes I ask my husband like consultate that I have a problem like this with my big family or my friends or blah blah blah, and then he said always that do whatever you want to do, whatever it is right for you, as long as you are still on the right side, on the track,
Okay.
then keep going.
Okay.
So that's it. I mean, self-reflection is like you, the beneficial is like you have to be total to keep alive with the people who you feel enjoy
Okay.
with them. Enjoy that, okay.
Maybe you can enjoy your life.
Yeah, so I can enjoy
Okay.
my life. And another advantages I get, like I'm doing, guys, that I love workout, yeah. But this year I skip the mass
Okay.
of workout, so I don't. I'm no longer lift up a heavy dumbbell, but I'm doing like a treadmill, so it doesn't distract my illness history, and still in a good rhyme.
Right.
Because I consulted to my friends also that is it good for me as a cardiac survivor, and yeah, that's good for me.
Oh.
So I still keep alive and just keep positive for any case.
Full message.
Yeah.
Very scientific and very deep.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. We will talk about the opposite. We talk about the benefit, and now we talk about the opposite of benefit. How if the peoples in outside, they do not, or they did not self-reflection? What is the effect? Do you get the point? Who wants to the first? Sam, maybe?
Okay.
This is the opposite.
Mm.
Okay, how if the people in outside, they do or they did not self-reflection? What is the effect?
Oh, so the effect when the people
Mhm.
did not do the self-reflection.
Yes.
What will happen?
Mhm.
Okay, I think it's very dangerous. I think because
How come?
people will not will not try to evaluate themselves.
Okay.
For example, like they keep going. For example, they keep work and they keep studying, but didn't know this thing gives them like frustrated. And also gives them the anxiety because they didn't understand why they do this, but they just keep going and didn't take like what we have learned, and also what the things that they can take from the things that we have did in our life. For example,
Maybe the simple words that they do or they did hard working, but there is no result.
There is no results.
Uh-huh.
They didn't know what is the value. They didn't get the value of the work they do, and also the things they did in their life.
Okay, nice. What about you? I beg to you again. You get the point, right? We talk about the opposite. How if the people in outside do not or did not self-reflection, what is the effect?
Honestly, I'm a typical. I don't give a care to them. Because again, it's back to yourself. If you see that people is negative for you, then keep far. But if you see this kind of people is positive, then you can be friends. You can be like that. I mean, don't ever put any toxic in your life, because this life is full of already problem and case, and you have to be struggle every morning. You have to wake up with the same daily routine, and then you starting again another in 1 hour later. You have to see the toxic people, maybe your boss or your manager or your lecturer or your friends. Then just it's like a reminder, self reminder to yourself that, do you want to be close to this person or not? So it's just a choice for you. It's a choice.
So you are the people who always
I don't give a care.
abstain. Oh, okay.
I don't give a care because I'm not going to business someone's life, because I have my own life.
Okay. Okay. It's you are very. I mean, it's honest, very honest. Okay. What about you, Adele?
Okay. About me, self-reflection is really important to because so many people have problem with mental health because they cannot self-awareness. They cannot control themselves. So it's the best way to self-awareness to cannot like problem mental health. I mean, because so many people cannot control themselves when they feel down, and they cannot control if they do some mistake. So this is one problem. Mental health can happen, mental illness can happen because they don't self-awareness, evaluate themselves, introspection themselves. I think that's
Just
all
it?
for me. Yes.
Okay. What about you, Yusril? Okay, but keep your statement.
Okay.
We'll be right after this. Don't go anywhere. In 101.1 Smartfm.